Happy birthday na lang sa'yo, Nene. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. Kailan kaya tayo magkikita? Kailan kaya tayo magkakayakan? Ay, naku, aking apo. Ang ganda-ganda mo. I love you.
Nene, happy birthday. Love you. Take care.
Hi, Ate AA. We just want to greet you a very happy birthday.
Yes, happy birthday, AA. Yeah, wishing you all the best, health, and your job, and your relationship with Deb, and your mother-in-law and father-in-law. So,
We are so happy that you are happy
Yeah,
to
of
be with
course.
them, you know. And syempre, you know, anak, miss na miss ka na namin. We love you so much. Say, I love you, Ate.
Love you.
Take care.
take care always, ha?
And enjoy your birthday, anak.
Birthday.
Kahit wala kami dyan ni Di.
Nandyan naman
Ng mga
sila.
ate mo at mga kapatid mo. Pero alam mo naman, sa puso namin.
Fireworks.
Mahal ka namin. Sobra. Miss na miss ka na namin.
Sige, at
Lalo
least
na.
meron kang second father at mother dyan.
Yeah.
Saka nandyan si Deb.
Oo, anak. Sobrang thankful ako kay
Okay?
Sugata.
Happy birthday and
I
enjoy.
love you.
Yeah, love you too. Wow.
Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Galing ng ending ni Tuti, ah.
Hi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, A, from us and Chongi.
Say happy birthday.
Tootsie
Happy
is
birthday.
napping right now, but maybe she'll have a little birthday
they did their
message.
video.
Oh, see, I didn't even know.
Mamita and Papita did the video with Tootsie.
But yeah, but we can't wait to see you again, hopefully with the kiddos. I know they're all excited to see you. We hope you have a very happy birthday and have a great time.
Yes. A, pasensya ka na wala kami dyan. It's been so many years since we missed your birthday. But, sana maganda yung surprise sa'yo at nag-enjoy ka dyan sa Dubai, you know, with your loved one and everybody. But hopefully we can all get together. Say hi, Johnny.
Hi.
Medyo mukha akong tae kasi ilang araw na akong hindi buo ang tulog, but it's okay. Gusto ko lang namin batiin na happy birthday and you're getting older and hopefully you're getting smarter.
Yeah.
I'm not the smartest, so I'm not one to say. But happy birthday, I love you.
Happy birthday,
Mwah,
kisses.
mwah.
Mwah,
Hope to see you
mwah.
soon. Thank you sa ayuda.
Okay.
Happy birthday, AA. Happy birthday, AA. Oh.
Hey, happy birthday anak. Kumusta na? Ha? Siyempre maganda pa rin. Kanino ka pa ba naman magmamana? Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Oh, kanta kami. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, AA. Love you, baby. Bye.
Ingat.
Happy birthday, AA.
Ayan. So, sana masaya ka kung nasan ka man. At tandaan mo nandito lang rin kami lagi para sa ayuda mo. Kaya, ayan, happy birthday at many more birthdays to come. And see you!
Ayun, happy birthday, 8. Sana masaya ka kung ano yung mga ginagawa mo ngayon. Tapos sana madami kang tututunan ng mga life learnings. Kasi iba din yung malayo ka sa pamilya mo. Mag-isa ka. Though kasama mo naman si Deb. Alam ko medyo na mababasan yung lungkot. Pero pag kailangan mo ng mga makakausap, tawag ka lang. Nandito lang naman kami lagi. Tapos, lagi mong tatandaan na nasa likod mo kaming lahat lagi. At, mahal na mahal ka namin. Mag-iingat ka lagi, tapos alagaan mo yung health mo, lalo nang malayo ka kay Lammy Andy, sa magulang mo, sa mga kapatid mo. Ayun lang. Always be happy, and okay lang kung busy ka minsan, naiintindihan din namin yon. And ayun lang. Love you. Happy birthday. Sana masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Sana next birthday mo magkakasama tayo ulit. Yun lang. Bye.
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 Mahaba, AA!
Mahaba eh.
Ikaw yun.
Happy birthday! Hey, I miss you. I miss you and Deb. Hope to see you soon and I hope you enjoy your birthday. And thank you for everything. Thank you for being thoughtful sa akin, sa amin. Ayun, sana mag-ingat ka palagi. Mag-ingat kayo palagi dyan. And sana makita din namin kayo soon. Ingat palagi. I love you.
Love
Happy
you.
birthday!
Anong bati mo?
Happy birthday.
Kordi mo.
Happy birthday, Bachang. Happy birthday, Bachang. Happy birthday, happy birthday
Happy birthday
to you.
Bye-bye. Love you.
Bye-bye. Miss you. Love
Miss you.
Hi AA! Happy 25th birthday! Grabe, 25 years na rin pala ako dito. Wishing you all the best. I love you. Stay safe. God bless.
Hi AA, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and sana lagi kang happy dyan, especially with your Deb. Ayun, I just wanna say na I appreciate those times na randomly ka rin mag-chat. Especially sa group chat, ganon. Kasi nabubuhay yung GC, tas wala lang. Nakakamiss lang na nag-uusap lang tayo lagi, ganyan. Wala lang, ayun, sana rin lagi kang safe dyan and healthy. And ayun, don't hesitate lang din ulit to chat or message kahit sa GC or sa akin. We're always here. I miss you. What if umuwi ka na? Joke lang, ayun lang. Sige, bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Hi! So today we are going to mukbang sinigang. Just kidding. Happy birthday, BFF. I'm just eating right now because I'm home alone, but I just want to greet you a happy birthday. And I'm hoping that you're doing very well in Dubai. I just want to say as well that I'm grateful for you because you're one of the kindest and most genuine person that I've met. And I hope na you're doing well right now. And I hope that whatever you choose in life, whatever you choose to do or where you want to be, you'll be happy and you'll always continue to grow for the better. I just want to say as well na I miss you. Namimiss ko na rin yung mga araw na nag-gym tayo kahit once lang yun. Tapos muntik pa ako mahimatay or nahimatay nga ba ako nun. I also miss spending life with you. High school days in general because I just enjoy your company. And I hope na makapag-catch up ulit tayo soon. Bisita ko ulit ang Pilipinas ha. Sabihan mo ako. Or, malay mo, ako babisita sa'yo. I don't know. Yun lang. Happy birthday again. And I love you so much. Bye!
Hi, happy 25th birthday. And, syempre, I wish you all the best para sa 25th birthday mo. Ang tagal na natin magkakilala and I'm very happy kasi nakikita natin yung pag-grow and yung mga bagay na na-achieve natin or yung mga milestones natin sa buhay. And I'm glad to see you growing as well. And syempre, yung mga plans mo, I'm really happy to hear it as well. So, I know, malayo ka sa amin, sa family mo, and sana maging strong ka dyan. Syempre, probably, hindi maiwasan na ma-homesick ka. And syempre, na-homesick din kami sa'yo. So, yun. So, miss na kita. And probably, miss ka na namin. So, kahit matagal pa, sana soon makita ka na namin ulit. And yun. So, I'm very happy kapag nakikita ko sa mga stories mo na you're happy as well. So, please always take care of yourself. And I just keep it short kasi naiyak talaga ako. So, happy 25th birthday. And yun. Alagaan mo lang lagi yung sarili mo. So, thank you so much for existing and for being part of our lives. Happy birthday!
Hey, A! Happy birthday! Next birthday mo na. Ayan. I hope you're doing okay and you're celebrating your day very well and you're enjoying as well. Alam ko you've been working so hard there and I'm hoping na you took a time off today sa birthday mo or like near your birthday para you can take a rest and just enjoy, you know, and relax, ganon. So, yeah, so I'm always wishing you good health and of course, ma-achieve mo lahat ng gusto mong i-achieve. Less stress, of course. And also, you know, na sana mapuntahan kita dyan or you know, magkita tayo ulit soon. Yeah, ayun. So, I wish you all the best in life and just enjoy your day. We're always here for you. We're always thinking of you. I know you're, well, hindi ko sasabing alone kasi you're with them, but of course, nasa abroad ka and it's a foreign country. And it's a struggle for sure, but we're always here if you need us, if you need anything. Okay? Yeah, just enjoy your day and I miss you so much and I really hope I could see you soon. Alam mo yan. I love you and take care always. Bye! Happy birthday!
Dearest AA, a very happy birthday to you. It's your 25th. This is a major milestone. It's your silver jubilee. I'm very proud of the person you've become and the people's lives you have touched so far. And I'm only confident that it's only gonna get better as it comes. And I'm so happy and excited that I get to spend this birthday with you and possibly every future birthday and every day ahead.
Happy 25th birthday, Annie Pally. I miss you a ton. I'm really sorry I could not be there for your birthday. But when I come, I will make sure that we celebrate 10 times harder and we'll go roam around places, do shopping and eat together. And I miss you so much. I want to tell that you are like a sister that I've never had, a sister from another mother. So you're like the best elder sister that I could ever ask for. Like, you're the best for advices. I feel like I can tell you anything I want to, and I feel like you should feel free to tell me anything. And your advice, your guidance and everything, it's so much like appreciated by me. And I miss you a lot, and I cannot wait to come back home and see you and celebrate and have fun and do loads of things and make new memories. Love you.
Happy 25th birthday and malagayang kaarawan.
Happy birthday and happy 25th birthday. Wishing you a very healthy Merudondo.
Yeah.
For 25 years of Merudondo. Very strong Merudondo you have.
And I hope you have a very strong Merudondo for your whole life.
Yes, yeah.
Very important.
And I want to go to IMG again and try the hot dog.
Yes, and skydiving next time we meet.
Because he's 18 now.
Yes.
Almost. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Anne.
Happy birthday, Anne. Here's wishing you a very, very happy, prosperous and healthy life ahead. This is your 25th birthday and we are lucky to celebrate with you this big milestone. Happy birthday, my dear.
Have a nice time ahead.
শুভ জন্মদিন অ্যান, ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো, হাসি খুশি থেকো।
Happy birthday, Anne. Many happy returns of the day. Stay well and enjoy your life.
জন্মদিন আমার আদরের এন পরম প্রভু ঈশ্বরের শ্রীচরণে তোমার সুদীর্ঘ সুস্থ আনন্দময় জীবনের প্রার্থনা করি।
Hello, many happy returns of the day and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday and looking forward to meet you soon.
Happy birthday and loads of love from Choto Pipi. See you soon. Happy birthday, Auntie Dee. See you soon.
Many happy returns of the day and stay blessed.
অনেক অনেক আশীর্বাদ নিবে and happy birthday. ঠাম্মা
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anna. Happy birthday.